Hello, beautiful souls, and a very warm welcome. I'm so grateful you've chosen to spend this time with me, with us, here at Wellness. We're about to embark on a journey together, a journey inward, towards a place of greater calm, clarity, and connection. Today, we're diving deep into the transformative practice of meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool that can reduce stress, enhance focus, and cultivate emotional balance. In this video, I'm thrilled to guide you through some of the most effective and beginner-friendly meditation techniques. Think of this as your personal toolkit for unlocking inner peace. So, take a deep breath, settle in, and let's begin this wonderful exploration together. Our first exploration on this path to inner peace is mindfulness meditation. At its heart, mindfulness is about paying attention on purpose in the present moment and non-judgmentally. The most common anchor in mindfulness meditation is the breath. Your breath is always with you, a constant rhythmic companion. The practice involves gently guiding your attention to the sensation of your breath. You're not trying to control the breath, just observe it. As you sit and focus on your breath, you'll notice that the mind has a tendency to wander. Thoughts will arise, plans for the day, memories, worries. This is completely normal. The practice of mindfulness isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's about changing your relationship to your thoughts. When you realize your mind has wandered, gently guide your attention back to your breath. Think of it like training a puppy. This act of returning again and again is the core of the practice. By anchoring to the present moment through our breath, we create a little bit of space between ourselves and our worries. This space allows for a calmer, more measured response to life's challenges. Moreover, mindfulness meditation significantly improves concentration. As you continue with mindfulness, you might start to notice subtle shifts. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Find a comfortable posture, close your eyes if that feels right, and just begin. This is your time, your space, your journey into presence. Present. So if the idea of sitting in silence feels daunting, explore guided meditation. Chapter 3. Tuning into your body, the wisdom of the body scan. Our third technique is a deeply grounding and restorative practice known as body scan meditation. This is a wonderful way to cultivate a mindful connection with your physical self, to release hidden tension, and to promote profound relaxation. It involves systematically bringing your awareness to different parts of your body, observing any sensations present without judgment. The practice typically begins by finding a comfortable position, often lying down. You close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to settle in. Then, the journey through the body begins, usually starting at the tips of your toes. You gently bring your focused attention to your toes, noticing any sensations. The key is to observe without trying to change anything. From the toes, you slowly move your awareness upwards, to the soles of your feet, the heels, the ankles. With each part, you simply rest your attention there for a few moments. You continue this journey up through the legs, the pelvis, the abdomen, the chest, and the upper back. You might notice the gentle rhythm of your breath in your belly or chest. Each observation is an opportunity to connect more deeply with your physical experience in the present moment. Then, the awareness moves into the hands, up through the arms, to the shoulders. The scan continues up through the neck, the throat, and into the face. This detailed attention to the body can be incredibly calming for the nervous system. One of the profound benefits of the body scan is that it helps to anchor your mind in the present. This practice also enhances body awareness, which is crucial for overall well-being. As you conclude the body scan, you might spend a few moments feeling your body as a whole, filled with your awareness. Chapter 4: Cultivating a Compassionate Heart. The Power of Loving-Kindness Meditation. Now let's explore a meditation technique that beautifully nurtures our emotional landscape. Loving-kindness meditation, also known as metta-meditation. This practice is a heartfelt invitation to cultivate feelings of warmth, kindness, compassion, and love. The practice often begins by finding a comfortable and stable posture. You then bring to mind someone or something that naturally evokes feelings of warmth and tenderness in you. You allow yourself to bask in these feelings, letting them fill your heart. Once you feel a sense of warmth, you begin to direct these feelings towards yourself. You silently repeat phrases or intentions such as, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I live with ease." You offer these wishes to yourself with sincerity and gentleness. After spending some time offering loving kindness to yourself, you then gradually extend these wishes outwards. You might start with a loved one, a family member, or a close friend. You bring them to mind, visualize them, and silently repeat the phrases for them. The circle of loving kindness then expands further. You can extend these wishes to neutral people in your life. A more advanced stage involves extending these wishes to difficult people in your life. This is not about condoning harmful behavior, but wishing even those who have caused you pain to be free from suffering. Finally, you extend loving kindness to all beings everywhere. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease. The benefits of loving-kindness meditation are numerous and deeply impactful. It has been shown to increase positive emotions, reduce self-criticism, decrease stress and anxiety, and enhance feelings of empathy and compassion towards others. So I invite you to open your heart to this beautiful practice. The power of mantra meditation. Chapter 6: Carrying Peace Forward. Your journey continues. So there we have it, a journey through 5 distinct yet equally powerful meditation techniques designed to help you unlock inner peace. Each offers a unique pathway to that quiet space within, a sanctuary from the noise of the everyday. My deepest wish for you is that you feel inspired to try these techniques. Remember, this isn't about achieving perfection or mastering a skill overnight. It's about gentle exploration, curiosity, and finding what truly resonates with your unique being. Thank you, from the bottom of my heart, for joining me today, for investing this time in your own well-being. Until next time, May you walk your path with presence, kindness, and a deep connection to the peace that always resides within you.